This AS system uses 108 AMRs and 46 ACR robots and completely changes how warehouse picking works. Instead of workers searching for products, the goods are automatically delivered to them. But how efficient is this system, and is it worth the investment? This system achieves over 129,000 storage locations, using an 8.6-meter high rack design with back support structure, which ensures both high density and strong stability. The system combines both ACR and AMR robots working together. 46 ACRs handle high-density storage operations. 108 AMRs manage flexible transport tasks. This multi-robot collaboration significantly improves overall efficiency. The warehouse is designed with multiple upper and lower channels, allowing continuous material flow and reducing congestion. This layout improves space utilization and operational efficiency. The WMS system is fully integrated with the factory MES system. Products and storage locations are dynamically managed based on demand frequency. Fast-moving items are placed in optimal positions. Slow-moving items are stored deeper in the system. This system transforms the workflow from workers searching for products to goods automatically delivered to workers. This significantly improves picking efficiency and reduces labor intensity. All robots support automatic obstacle avoidance, automatic charging, optimized battery management. This ensures continuous operation and higher system reliability. If you are planning a similar high-density warehouse project, we can help you design your system, estimate your investment, and deliver the complete solution. Contact us to evaluate your project.